Well, she's out of the water. Now what? Our first project is going to be pulling out the engine. It's a big project, so we invited family to come help. My brother-in-law Ray brought his son, and with our family and his, we're going to get this project done.
Filming my mess. Filming my mess.
What are you working on?
Unhooking the drive shaft from the motor.
And you had to go through all of your tools to figure out.
Yeah, like the 9/16 are all missing. I had to go buy a new set. Where are they all? No idea. See the front of it, where it hooks to the motor? Those four that are horizontal?
Oh,
Yeah.
those ones.
Yeah, those are even worse. And the other ones, all of them gotta come, basically. So, we're gonna try it and see what happens.
Right now?
Well, I don't know, I can't slide that shaft out without that thing unhooked.
So how's it going?
Going. You know how it is. So, the bearing that it was hanging on in the middle on this bulkhead was basically seized to the shaft, so I had to cut the outer part of the bearing off and relief the main part of the bearing that's on the shaft until it would break free. So now I'm just sliding it up to the end of the shaft, hammer to get it off.
Well, when all else fails, take it out in chunks, huh?
Yeah. When the nails heads are rusted off and leaves the nails in there. Who uses nails in a boat? Come on. Stainless steel nails. I don't know if you can get those.
Alright, there's our V-berth. Our V-berth is full of the bulkhead that we pulled out from the engine compartment. So here's what it's looking like.
We have an engine that's half torn apart. Most of the accessories type stuff is off. We have the motor mount bolts off. And what we're going to do this morning is we're going to pull the head and the intake manifold off, which is this top section right there. A little bit less weight, a little bit less bulk. And after that, I don't know what else we can take off that'll even be worth taking off to get it out.
Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.